How is everyone doing today? Here at Skyway Classics, we have a beautiful 1956 Ford Fairlane. I do have all the windows rolled down, so there are two in the rear and one in the front, the main. As you can see, it does feature some shaved door handles. I'll show you how to get inside. There's a little trick to it. But just wanted to give you guys an exterior video. This paint does shine very well in this beautiful Florida sun. Chrome is also in great condition. Just giving you a little bit of a walk around. You can see those beautiful white wall tires. This beautiful front grille. But we'll go ahead and get inside the car and show you the interior. And we'll have a couple more segments in the rest of the video. As I mentioned earlier, it does have shaved door handles. You do press that little black knob down there, but for the sake of easiness, we'll go ahead and open it from the inside. As we take a look in here, you can see the split bench seat here in beautiful condition. No cracks, no tears. Then as we pan to the door, see the inside of the door here. It does feature these little blue knobs inside the car. It does have AC, radio, air. You can see the air conditioning controls right here. He does have an aftermarket speedometer on it because the main one does not work. But the rest of these gauges do work, the four here on the side. But just take a look at the dash. Beautiful condition. And we're here to the passenger side door and the rear seats. Also no tearing, no major scratches. And then the headliner here, also in beautiful condition. But we'll go ahead and start this thing up, give you guys a little driving video. Let's see how she drives. Now that we're inside, we'll go ahead and start her up. She does start right up every time you turn the key. So we'll go ahead and put her in drive. She does have power steering and power brakes. Very comfortable ride and drive. As you see, power steering, very tight, there is no play. Also show you the power brakes. Being such a big car, she stops when you need her to. And she also gets up and goes. But we'll go ahead and get this thing on the lift, show you guys the underneath, and then get you an engine shot. Now that we got the Fairlane up in the air, show you the underneath. Passenger side is here on the left, front disc brakes and suspension, and the driver's side over here. And it also features a trans cooler right there with the lines going down here to the back underneath the engine. Show you the floors and whatnot, the frame. As we make our way to the rear end, see the passenger side here and the driver's side. So we'll go ahead and make our way around underneath the doors. Show you the underneath here, and as I was mentioning again, this is how you get the doors open. A little blemish right there. And as we're on the driver's side here, and underneath the door, you can see that as well. As I was mentioning, there is that knob to get the door open. But we'll go ahead and get this thing back on the ground so you can hear the engine from the engine bay. A little bit of a driving video from the exterior. Now that we got the hood up, show you the 302 here, the carburetor. This engine bay is extremely clean. See the AC lines running there into the firewall. The fans. Also want to show you the tag location on this. Inside the door here. We do have a picture of that on our website, skywayclassics.com. But we'll go ahead and shut this. Let Ryan fire it up first.